So now, many things in electronics need distinct voltages. In this case, we got 5 volts. You can see it's 5 volts up there. Unless I press the button, then we got 0 volts. So the pull-up resistor is giving us that 5 volts right there. You can see if I pull this out, the oscilloscope doesn't like stray signals. This one's not as sensitive as other ones. You can see that my body can make it bounce all around, out of the place, all over the place. And if we don't want that, we can use the pull-up resistor. So in any case, we got it right there, pull-up resistor. Usually it's 10K right there. It's not meant for providing current, although a little bit of current can be provided. But in any case, there you can see we got the 5 volts. So just be aware of that. We got that resistance. If we close the switch, though, we have a direct connection to ground. That can sink current. And this is why we want kind of a high-value resistor right there. The current's also going to flow that way. So we want to limit waste current. But in any case, we got 5 volts in this case because we got a 5 volt supply, or 0 volts because of the pull-up resistor. So now, this pull-down resistor gives us 0 volts at the oscilloscope until I press the button, because it's switching towards the high side right there. And there you can see, now we got a solid 5 volts or 0 volts. And if I pull the jumper out, that's what I got the oscilloscope going to, then you can see it's giving erratic signals right there. So we want to avoid that. Pull-down resistor does that if you don't need current from the negative supply. So we come over here, and there you can see we got our connection to ground at the output. That's where we're measuring. And then the 10K resistor doesn't matter. We'll get 0 volts as long as no current is demanded. We close the switch, though. We got a direct connection to the positive supply. That can provide current. You also got a little bit of a waste current right there. So be aware of that. But in any case, we have our full supply voltage option or 0 volt option as long as we don't need to provide any current thanks to the pull down resistor.